Let's have a look at our bubble charts and go ahead with our data analysis. Here are the plots for the 3 decadal years. First we start with 1990. We can see the background has the year and each bubble has the flag of the country it represents. On the horizontal axis, you have the sex ratio in the 80 plus age group. On the vertical axis, you have the total population of the 80 plus age group, and the numbers you see accompanying each bubble is the total population. So we have all the 3 variables represented. In addition to that, we also have the year. Now let's start with the analysis. If you look carefully, you can see an almost horizontal alignment of all the bubbles. Observe this. Countries like India and China, despite having a very high total populations, their old age populations are still comparable to USA. Now let us see what happens as we move on to 2000. You can see that all the bubbles have moved up, indicating a rise in the old age population across the globe. More importantly, you can see that China's rise is much steeper. It has overtaken USA, and even India is catching up. In addition to that, you can see a shrinkage along the horizontal axis, meaning the sex ratios are not so varied any longer. Moving on to 2010, look at that, even a steeper rise for China. The old age population of China in 2010 is double that of USA. India is at par with USA. In addition to that, you can see a more or less vertical alignment right now, meaning that the variations in the sex ratios have shrunken further. Let's have a quick look at all the 3 graphs in one go. So you start with 1990, a horizontal alignment. By 2010, you have a vertical alignment. Let us now come to the question that drove our analysis. How can data support our business decisions? Consider this. The countries whose population is aging are expanding markets for products that help older people live an independent life. From our bubble charts, we can see that India and China are such expanding markets where you are likely to profit if you invest in products that help old age people. Also, take the variations in the sex ratio. When you are introducing products that are gender specific, this information can be of help. I do hope that you have got an idea of how to use data sets and statistical reasoning to drive entrepreneurial decisions. Good day. See you soon.